Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial about Azure App Service Domain. I have seen many organizations struggling with the management of their domains, DNS hosting, and the certificates for these domains. That is why I thought of doing a video on this service which solves the problem by providing the unified management of all these resources through a single portal. My name is Navneet Kumar. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and the founder of Traincrest Technologies. Learning objectives of this video are Azure App Service Domain, what it is, why shall we care about it, key benefits of using the Azure App Service Domains, and finally I will take you through a demo on setting up the Azure App Service Domains. Azure App Service Domain is a feature within the Azure App Service that allows you to map a custom domain name to your web applications or the APIs. Azure App Service Domain enables the users to access the applications using a more memorable and recognizable domain name instead of the default Azure App domain, that is azurewebsites.net. Talking about the key benefits of using the app service domain, number one is brand recognition. You provide a custom domain name based on your brand name. Second is SEO. So this helps into the search engine optimization. And using the custom domain names can improve your website's search engine optimization score by making it easier for the search engines to index and rank your content. Next is user experience. A custom domain name provides a better user experience for accessing the applications because these names are memorable, recognizable. Last but not least is the unified management. You can manage everything from one single portal. Not only you purchase the domain, but the hosting for the DNS for this domain, the certificates for these domains, you can have everything managed from single portal. Let me take you through a demo on setting up an Azure App Service domain. For this, I will move to the Azure portal and will search for a service called App Service Domain. From here, I will create an app service domain. We'll choose the account, the Azure account, the resource group for this app domain RG. There we go. And then the domain name that I need. My first startup. It will look for the availability of this domain, that whether this domain is available or not. My first startup on EdTech. This must be available, or you will get the suggestions. So in fact, this domain is not available. So my first startup.org. Okay. Or there are few other suggestions. Deployment of the domain, but with a different domain name. And this is the domain that I have purchased through the Azure portal. And now I can manage the DNS records for this. You will notice that Azure DNS is used for hosting this domain. The name servers I have got over here for name servers to create the records. I have done a separate video on the Azure DNS. A link in the description for managing the Azure DNS. Well, overall, in this video, we have seen that we can purchase the domain, we can manage the DNS zone or DNS records of a domain from one single portal. So this is how unified management is provided by Microsoft Azure, through which we can manage everything from one single window. If you want to manage the app service certificates, you can visit the app service certificate and you can purchase the app service certificates also. from the Azure portal, and these domains or certificates are purchased in collaboration with GoDaddy. So which type of certificate you need, you can provide that, and then you will notice, if I take you to the last blade of this last tab, then it is built on GoDaddy's certificate API. So you are buying these resources through Azure from GoDaddy. I hope this tutorial was informative to you. Thanks for watching and do subscribe my channel.